Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into how AI is completely flipping our workplaces upside down. Just imagine, 10,000 workers replaced, literally overnight. That's the wild reality of our new AI-driven world.
Companies aren't just tweaking things, they are totally restructuring to survive and chase profits using AI.
It's crazy. These systems are now way faster and cheaper at coding, graphic design, and data analysis.
And you know what's accelerating this shift like rocket fuel? The massive boom in generative AI.
Things that used to take us days, like writing articles or generating code, now literally happen in seconds. So the bottom line here? Businesses are actually shrinking their human teams to rely heavily on AI.
Globally, this rapid shift has sparked two total opposite reactions: immense excitement and, well, deep fear.
It's a real tug-of-war. We've got unprecedented efficiency and creativity battling against massive job losses.
Supporters argue that AI kills boring, repetitive work, totally freeing us up for pure creativity and strategy.
But critics, they warn millions of jobs will just vanish, way faster than everyday workers can adapt.
Honestly, this leaves us stuck at a huge ethical crossroads regarding the future of our careers.
Like, what happens when this tech moves way faster than our governments or education systems can handle?
And seriously, how is society going to support all those workers displaced by these new automation algorithms? The million-dollar question still remains: will this AI revolution ultimately create more opportunities than it destroys?
Despite those fears, one thing is absolutely certain: artificial intelligence is here now, for sure.
It's actively reshaping our economies, huge industries, and your everyday life, right this very second. So the real challenge here isn't stopping this AI wave, it's figuring out how to adapt. Which leaves us with one massive, final question as we look ahead. Are we truly ready to coexist?